Hey everyone, stuck at home. Got a quick breakfast tip for you, or just an afternoon snack treat for the kids. So, right there, Grands. Grocery stores are full of them. Nobody wants the junk and garbage except the kids. Get this, right? Crack them open, get them on a plate. Waffle maker. Are you ready? Open them up. Take your fresh Cinnabons, drop them in a waffle maker. How do I come up with this? Boredom. That's how. Figuring it out. Crush it down. Mine has a little lock. Lock it up. Whoa, that's bacon. Doesn't take long. Take your cinnamon. Throw it in the microwave without the metal lid. Not long. 10 seconds, okay? You just want it to turn very liquidy, but not water. More like a wet toothpaste. Here we go. Usually one time around will get you. Or 2 times around. How you doing out there today? Good enough. Yeah, boy. All right, got your cinnamon. Get your plates ready. One kid. Kid number 2. Kid number 3. Kid number 4. Kid number 5. It's a true story. Here we go. Bum, bum, bum. Kind of letting it brown up a little bit. Got a light. Oh, I think we're ready. How quick was that? This is all live and real. Boom. Boom. I'm going to let those get a little darker. Get a nice crust on the top. Get your knife ready. Here's why I like paper plates over the ceramic plates. When you cut things, you can cut clean with a paper plate. Go off the edge. You got a lot of kids, everybody needs everything cut up. Get yourself a nice chef knife. Yeah, it looks aged and worn because it is. Here we go. Pop those babies out. See, if I had editing techniques on Instagram, I could do it, but I don't, so we're gonna hold it anyway. Day's going good, just woke up. Kids screaming for some cinnamon rolls, because Dad makes them fast. All right. All right, here we go. Boom. One, 2, 3, 4. Throw the other one in for later. Actually for the 5th kid, but luckily he's out thinking he's riding a tractor. Take your liquid, give it a shot. Boom. Enjoy a little treat. Have a good day, y'all.